Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start web hosting with Bluehost, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start web hosting with Bluehost, begin by visiting the Bluehost website. Once there, click on the Get Started button. You will see various hosting plans available. Choose the plan that best suits your needs and click on Select. Next, you will be prompted to enter a domain name. If you already have a domain, you can enter it here. If you don't, select the option to register a new domain. Fill in your desired domain name and choose the domain extension. After that, click on Next. Now, enter your account information. Fill in your name, email, and password. You will also need to provide payment information. Review your plan details and any additional features you may want. Uncheck any optional upgrades that you do not need. Once you're ready, click on Submit. After processing, you will be directed to your Bluehost dashboard. From here, you can access your web hosting features. Explore the settings to configure your site. Choose whether to install WordPress or another CMS if desired. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, customize your website to your liking. Finally, review your hosting settings and make sure everything is functioning properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.